Hello everyone and welcome back to another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to generate Amazon affiliate links for you to use on your website or blog or YouTube video, wherever you want to share them. So first things first, you obviously have to have an Amazon affiliate or Amazon Associates account. So the easiest way to get one is just go open up a new browser tab and type in Amazon affiliate like I've done here and then hit enter. And then the first option or second option is going to be something that says Amazon.com Associates Central. If you click on that, it'll take you to that home page for Amazon Associates. If you don't already have an account, you'll see an option here to sign up for one, but I assume you already have one. There are a number of ways to generate and produce affiliate links. So the first and easiest is right here. Once you've signed into your Associates account, you're going to see something that says product linking. If we just click on that there and then go to product links, we're going to be presented with a page that tells us what SiteStripe is. Now, SiteStripe, if we go to the normal Amazon.com website and we're logged into our Associates account, we're going to see something now at the top of the screen that says SiteStripe Amazon Associates. Basically, this is the ability to create a link, text image or text plus image for any item on Amazon. So let's say we want to create a link for one of these items here for this electric scooter. What we would do is go to the product page for the item that we want to produce a link for, and then you'll see something here that says SiteStripe. Now what you want to do is just click on the type of link that you want. So for me, I want it to be a text link. Make sure that your store ID and tracking ID is accurate. The only reason you'd have multiples here is if you have multiple Amazon Associates accounts. So this should be correct. And then what you want to do is you can have a short or full link. The full link looks like this. This is more along the lines if you want to mask it with another URL shortener like Bitly or something like that. But Amazon does a nice job of giving you the ability to copy a short link here. And so basically all you would need to do is just go ahead and select all of that link and right click and copy. You can go here and go to copy, and that will then copy that link for you to use. And then if we go up here, open a new tab and right click, paste and go, it'll take you to that page, but it will be from your associates or your affiliate link. And that's how you do it. Very, very easy. Now you can do different types of ads. You can go here and you can go to image if you want it to be an image ad, and then you can see whether you want the image to be small, medium, or large. And then you can see here, this is going to be a bit of HTML. This is going to be for you to paste into your widgets on WordPress or whatever you use to build your website. You will need to have a place to paste this HTML to insert this code. Now, you adjust the size of that image up above, and that will obviously in turn adjust the way the code is written down below for you to place that on your website. So that's it. Make sure you've signed up for the Amazon Associates account. Make sure you've logged in. Go to the regular Amazon.com website. You should see something up here that says SiteStripe. If you don't, make sure you are logged into the appropriate account and you have signed up for the Associates program. And then once you've done so, you can go to any product page on Amazon and then go up here, select the desired link of choice here. And then once you've selected it, go ahead and create that link and copy and paste, whether it's a short link via the text option or via image, the HTML. All of that will be generated right here from this little toolbar called SiteStripe at the very top of your page. If you have any questions about how to do this or have a problem, please put that in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.